Good day everyone, my name is Vincent Aladad and I am here to report about Illuminance and Luminance. Introduction. Illuminance is the amount of light in the incident on a surface. Luminance is the amount of light leaving an object, thus relating to how bright an object appears to the human eye. Although an object may be illuminated, the eye cannot see it without visible light leaving the subject in the direction of the viewer. The luminance of a surface is equal to reflected illuminance. So, the luminance of a surface is equal to the reflected illuminance. So, nasa yung relation. Next is luminance. Luminance is a luminous intensity of a surface in a given direction per unit of projected area of the surface. Luminance can be expressed in two ways, in candelas per unit area or in lumens per unit area. There are many different standard units of measurement. For example, candela per square inch, foot lambert or luminance of the surface emitting 1 lumen per square foot, and the lambert luminance of a surface emitting 1 lumen per square centimeter. The relationship behind these units of measurements are 1 CD inches to or 1 candela per square inch is equal to 452 foot lamberts. 1 lambert is equal to 929 foot lamberts is equal to 2.054 candela per square inch. And based on the SIM, it is not necessary to go beyond these brief definitions because luminance is seldom used. So let's proceed. Illuminance. Illuminance is the density of luminous flux striking a surface. It describes how bright a surface may appear to the human eye depending upon the surface reflectance. The appropriate unit of measurement for illuminance are the foot candle and lux. The foot candle is the unit measure of illuminance. The intensity of light falling on a surface, it is equal to 1 lumen of light uniformly illuminating a surface over an area of 1 square foot. The foot candle. It is the oldest physical unit and still in common use, was originally defined as the illuminance striking a surface held 1 foot away from a burning beeswax candle. Foot candles incident on a surface are related to the lumens striking the surface in the area of the surface in square foot. The SI unit for illuminance is the lux, which is 1 lumen of light uniformly illuminating a 1 square meter surface. So Lm over m squared. Lux incident on a surface are related to the lumens striking the surface, and the area of the surface in 1 foot candle is roughly equal to 10 lux m squared. Foot candle or Fc is equal to 10.764 lux. Lux is equal to 0.0929 Fc. Luminance is equal to Lm over area. Typical values of illuminance for selected condition are provided in this table. So, some of the conditions are light cast by full moon on clear night, 0.1 foot candles, lux 1, street lighting, foot candle 1, 10 lux, workspace lighting, 10 to 100 lux, 10 to 100 foot candle, 100 to 1000 lux, lighting for surgery, 1000 foot candle, 10,000 lux, natural sunlight on clear day, 6,000 foot candles, and 60,000 lux. By comparison, natural sunlight illuminates a surface 100 times more than light cast by a full moon on clear night. Recommended illuminance. IESNA or Illuminating Engineering Society of North America publishes recommended lighting levels for various tasks and space. Recommended level of illuminance are published in the IESNA Lighting Handbook. IESNA divide these levels of illuminance into 9 categories which each with 3 range of illuminance. First category is the A through C. It has a range of illuminance from 235 to 10, 15, 20 FC. They are for ambient lighting in public and working space, including corridors, lobbies, stairs, and conversation areas, restaurant and exhibition areas. So sa category A through C, ambient lightings lang siya or soft lightings. So kita na to na di siya hayag kaayo and dili pud kay siya unsa ngit-ngit. Bale murag normal lightings lang ni siya. So mao ni atong ginagamit sa restaurant, like for example there is a picture restaurant, exhibition areas, and other areas na ginagamit lang nato glow light. The next category is D through F, have range of illuminance from 20, 30, 50 to 100, 150, 200 FC. They are for common visual tasks requiring more difficulty, such as in classrooms, office and drafting areas, laboratories and kitchen areas. Category D through F naman is mao na siya ang level sa lightnings na medium lang, or they are for common visual tasks. So especially kanang para dili isip mo kay magluto og ngit-ngit, di ba? Or mag slice ka tapos ngit-ngit. So dapat ang lightings jud ana is medium jud. Dili kayo siya hayag kaayo and dili po kayo siya ngit-ngit. So here are some examples of it. So, sa classroom and sa kitchen. So labi nang magsulat or mag-discuss, so need yun na og unsa enough light para makita nimo ang imong sulat and imong mga gamit. Next is the category G through I. It has a range of illuminance from 200, 300, 500 to 1000, 1500, 2000 FC. They are for prolonged visual demanding tasks involving sewing, precision machining, and surgery. There is a G through I na category. Muna siya ang mga task or diri na mga room ang need kaayo og kusog na lightings. Kay syempre, example sa surgery, kailangan nyo nagkusog na lightings para makita dayon nimo ang yung kung unsa ang dapat nimo nakuhaon, di ba? And sa precision machining, like this picture, or kita na to na mga dagko na suga na nakatutok jud, so mo na siya ang dagkog mga illuminance. So para makita nila, ma-aware sila sa ilang surrounding jud. Next is the table or recommendations for level of lighting in various space. So atay mga recommendation dere no na sa schools, sa stores, industrial, theaters, or post office. So kanin siya na list makita po nato sa atong sim. So dito na lang po ninyo basahon. So next recommended lightings levels increase as the size and contrast of the visual task decrease. Thus, the recommended lighting level will be near the lower level of the range when the size and or contrast of the visual task is large, and will be near the upper level of the range when the size and or contrast of the visual task is small. Governmental entities may specify levels of illumination. So, lighting levels is inversely proportional sa visual task. So, the more magtaas ang imong visual task, the more pod na mubaba ang lighting levels. And for my conclusion, so ingana importante na maibal-an nato ang correct na illuminance sa isa ka area kay tungod if dili na to siya ma-hit or ma-apply is dako jud siya og problem. Kay for example, ina surgery, hinay na suga ang atong nagamit is dili jud siya pwede. Kay naay magka-error man, so sa kitchen kailangan pod, and sa masking sa restaurant, so kung hayag pug kaayo ang suga sa restaurant, so disturbing siya sa mata and dili ta makatarong og kaon. So ingana ka importante di ay ang illuminance and luminance sa atuang daily life and sa atuang kwaon sa atuang sa tuwang course na engineering. So syempre mag-design tag isa ka room, kailangan maibalaan po nato kung unsa ang appropriate na illuminance ana na room. So that ends my report. Thank you and God bless.